Hello everyone, my name is Mahendra and I'm a trainer in ICSE Foundation. Today in Basic English and Sentence Construction, we will learn about verb tenses. In today's session, we will understand simple type of verb tense that includes present simple, past simple and future simple. We will also understand their usage in everyday life. Let's talk about present simple first. Present simple talks about the action that occurs on regular basis and the action which talks about facts. In present simple, it is not sure whether the action or the work is completed or not. The construction of the sentence becomes subject plus first form of the verb plus object. For example, I play football regularly. In this example, we can see the action of playing football is occurring on regular basis. So it is a repeated action. That is why it is present simple. Let's take another example. The sun rises in the east. Here, it is talking about facts. One more thing that you need to remember is whenever the subject is third person singular. For example, he, she, it, or somebody's name like Ram, Rakesh, Mohan, Reshma. In that case, we always use S or ES along with the first form of the verb. And the construction of the sentence becomes subject plus first form of the verb plus S or ES plus object. For example, Ram plays football regularly. Here in this example, we can see Ram is the third person singular subject. That is why we have added a S with the first form of the verb. And the construction and the sentence becomes Ram plays football regularly. Another example, he walks daily. Here, the action of walking occurs on regular basis. So it is present simple. Next example is water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That is a fact. Let's talk about past simple now. Past simple shows the action which started in the past or that happened in the past. The construction of the sentence becomes subject plus second form of the verb plus object. For example, I played football yesterday. Here, the action of playing football happened in the past. Next example is Julie visited the market yesterday. Again, the action of visiting the market happened in the past. Another example is he reviewed my website yesterday. Again, we can see the action is happening in the past. So let's talk about future simple now. Future simple talks about the action that will happen in the future. Everyone knows that what is going to happen in future is not sure. But still, if you have to say something that is going to happen in the future, we use future simple tense. And the construction of the sentence becomes I means subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb plus object. For example, I will play football tomorrow. Here, the action of playing football will happen in future. Next example is John will go to London tomorrow. Again, the action of going to London will happen in future, which is tomorrow. Next example is he will check my website tomorrow. Again, the action of checking website will take place in future. So I hope you have been able to understand. But for better understanding, it is important to keep reading books, magazines, and newspaper, and if possible, start practicing conversation. So since we have understood these tenses, let's try to identify whether the sentence belongs to simple present, simple past, or simple future. Let's talk about the first sentence. I go to headquarters every Tuesday. So do you know if it is present, past, or future? We can see that the action gets repeated every Tuesday and first form of the verb is being used with the subject. Yes, you are right. This is simple present. Next sentence is she went to headquarters. Here in this sentence we can see second form of the verb is being used with the subject. Yes, you are right. This is simple past. The third sentence is they will go to the headquarters in some time. So we can see the action has yet not started. It will happen in future in some time. And we can also see that with the subject will and first form of the verb is being used. So yes, it is simple future tense. So today we have understood simple type of verb tense that includes present simple, past simple, and future simple. We have also understand their usage in everyday life. I hope you have been able to understand. Thank you very much. Keep